Hello everyone, I'm here with Henry from Sash. So Henry, what problem do you solve for your clients?
So my company is called Sash, and essentially what we do is in the name of the business. So we refurbish, draft seal and upgrade old timber windows and doors. Instead of having the old Federation style window removed and new aluminium windows or PVC windows installed, which is what everyone thinks they have to do, we offer them an alternative.
The usual question is, why would someone want to hire you as opposed to someone else? But there's no one else doing that kind of work here in Perth.
There are other people that do refurbish windows. We're not the only company out there that does it. However, we're the only company that installs the sealing systems like we do. When you specialize in something like that, you become the best. And we have some pretty innovative products that we do use, and we retrofit to the old windows to bring them up to a modern spec while maintaining the original appearance. Anyone can sell you glass, so someone could come along and sell you glass, but the issue is if you're not draft sealing and if you're not closing the gaps in the window and the frame, then you might well as not have upgraded the glass. So with the two combined, we are one of the only companies that are offering that.
And really the alternative for them is to rip out the old windows and put in an aluminium or something.
Essentially, that's what everyone has been told is the solution for them. If someone is inquiring about thermal upgrades or acoustic upgrades to windows, until recent times they've been told that their only option is to pull them out and replace them, which is not the right thing to do, essentially.
Not on a heritage or an older house. No. Yeah. And Henry, what's something you're passionate about aside from your work?
I'm a pretty simple guy.
Yeah.
I fix windows and offer people a great a business, and that's it. Both my companies are run both in the building industry, and yeah, I'm truly passionate about what I do, and I believe that it's a solution that is real.
And you have a background as a heritage carpenter.
That's correct,
before
yes.
getting specializing in windows.
So my background is I was a heritage carpenter in the UK. That's where I learnt my trade. Worked on a lot of old buildings, very old buildings, as well as building new additions to the older buildings and sort of keeping them in keeping with the original property.
Thanks for watching. I didn't know about what Henry did, and I'm really excited. I think it's a great service for the Perth area with all the old houses with leaky, rattly windows. And I'm going to be recommending him to other people, and I think you should too.